A rainy day. Reading guide. It was a rainy day. The children could not go out to play. So Lucy, Zeny, and Perla stayed in the house. Let us cut out paper fruits for our store, Lucy. So the girls got their paper, scissors, and crayons. Lucy cut out 5 apples. She colored them red. Zeny cut out 6 mangoes. She colored them yellow. Perla cut out 4 guavas. She colored them green. Then they counted their paper fruits. Now, we have many pretty paper fruits for our store, said Perla. Number 1. What kind of day was it? It was rainy day. How many girls were in the story? There are 3 girls. Where did the girls stay? They stayed in the house. What did Lucy cut out? She cut out 5 apples. What color were the apples? The apples were red. What did Zeny cut out? She cut out 6 mangoes. What color were the mangoes? The mangoes were yellow. Who cut out the guava? Perla cut out the guava. How many paper fruits did they have in all? They have 15 paper fruits in all. Where would they put their paper fruits? They put them in their store. Wow, very good. Here's your stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 magic stars. Congratulations!